Clear quartz is one of the most versatile and useful crystals, but it just doesn't seem to get the credit it deserves. In this video, we're going to explore why clear quartz is so powerful, its benefits in crystal healing, how to use it, and the meanings of different varieties of clear quartz. So let's talk about it. We got a thunder roll just then. Hi, if you're new, I am Ethan Lazzerini, and I'm the author of 4 crystal healing books, including the Amazon best-selling book series, Crystal Grid's Power. And I'm here to help you unlock the power of crystals in a way that's clear, empowering, and easy to use in your everyday life. Quartz is also known as rock crystal. It's one of the most abundant crystals in the Earth's crust. This makes it easy to find and affordable, and any good crystal shop will stock clear quartz crystal. Quartz has a Mohs hardness of 7, which makes it a very durable mineral. It's been used as a gemstone and in historic artifacts for thousands of years. There are lots of types of quartz-based minerals, but for this video, we will be focusing on clear quartz. But your quartz does not need to be completely clear though. It's okay if part of it is clear and some of it is a bit cloudy. As long as a good portion of it is clear, that is okay. I do recommend that you have at least 1 clear quartz tumbled stone and 1 natural clear quartz point. These are ideal pieces to start your crystal journey with, and they both have different uses. This can be put into your pocket and taken with you anywhere, and this point could be more for focused work and intention setting, which we'll get into in a minute. First, let's look at the energy profile and associations of clear quartz. So in terms of energy, I would say it has a spiritual energy. It feels electrical to me, if that makes sense to some of you, and particularly the clear varieties. In terms of chakras, primarily and traditionally it is a crown chakra stone, but it's actually all the chakras and can be used anywhere. In terms of elements, primarily, again, I would say it's a spirit element, but for some people there's a lot of disagreements on quartz. I would say earth is a good argument. I've had other arguments for other elements as well. To me, it's all the elements. That's why it is spirit, because spirit forms all 4 elements. Rays and flames is exactly the same. There's no specific color ray that it's channeling, because it will channel any rays or flame energies. What I share here is just my perspective and based on my experience working with crystals for the last 30 years. Yes, I'm not old. I'm going to be focusing on the key benefits of clear quartz in modern day crystal healing. Clear quartz has become known in the crystal community as the master healer, and I think this is because they often grow into these long crystal points which are kind of like natural wands, and wands like this are natural tools that we can use in crystal healing. They can be used to direct and send healing energy to another person or yourself. Quartz is clear, but it also acts like a prism. It can split light, white light, into all the different colors of the rainbow. And these different energies are like the many different rays and energies that people channel, or frequencies used in healing. So yes, clear quartz can be used for energy healing, such as things like Reiki. It helps repair and regenerate your aura from any weaknesses, damage, or holes. Clear quartz can cleanse any chakra or send healing energy to any chakra. Quartz is also an energy amplifier. Think of it like a lens or a magnifying glass. It increases the energy wherever it is placed. This includes any crystal that you combine it with. It can amplify and enhance the energy of other crystals, metals, or gemstones. This is why I always use clear quartz in all my crystal grids. It turns up the power. If you carry or wear quartz, one of its benefits is that it expands your energy field or aura. This increases the light within your aura, and it can make you appear or feel more radiant to people, and this helps you in being seen and found by the right people. If you have found this video to be helpful so far, could you please give it a thumbs up or share it? This helps the video reach more people so they can benefit too. Thank you. Quartz crystal is highly programmable, and by programming I just mean that it holds intentions really well, and unlike other crystals and minerals, it can be programmed with any intention. Clear quartz has no colour, but it holds all the colours inside it. It's like a blank canvas. Its energy can take on any form that you need. Clear quartz holds energy and records things. Because of this, quartz can be used as a substitute for any crystal, but you do need to program it with this intention for it to work. I just want to also add here that even though I do use this method as a substitute, it still never will replace the actual experience you have with the crystal that you need. So it's a second best choice. If you cannot get hold of a crystal, it is acceptable. And you could also set an intention for something you are trying to manifest, a goal, or program it to send healing energy or positive energy to someone or to a situation, for example. These programmed crystals can be worn, placed in your home, or used in a crystal grid, as I mentioned earlier. The other thing with clear quartz is its clarity. Light passes straight through it, and some crystals are clear as fresh water, and clear quartz brings you that mental clarity. It helps with meditation and can even help with writing. In psychic readings or with divination tools like tarot, oracle cards, or a pendulum, it brings things through with more clarity and hopefully more accuracy. So some people keep a piece of clear quartz with their tarot or oracle decks for this reason. So yes, the traditional crystal ball was originally made from clear quartz, and I don't think that's a coincidence. It can bring through the clarity, it can bring through focus, it can help tune you in to the spiritual realms and energies which are unseen. So that is why the crystal ball was originally used. This isn't talked about too much, but clear quartz is cleansing. Its clarity and its neutral nature makes it absorb energies from around it. Clear quartz can absorb negative energies and blockages from around you, your chakras or your home. This is great, but just make sure you cleanse it often. You can just sweep a crystal through your aura to cleanse yourself of negative energy. I wanted to cover some of the special varieties of clear quartz that you will find on the market. But this is a brief look, and I do think these crystals do deserve their own video. Lemurian seed crystals are also known as Lemurian quartz, and they usually form into these laser ones, which are long crystals that go towards a very small point at the top. They always have this frosted look about them, which is caused by these lines or striations on the surface of the side facets of the crystal. And these crystals were originally found in Brazil. Lemurian seed crystals are said to carry the records, wisdom, and energy of the lost land of Lemuria, and they have a very high vibration. They raise your vibration as well, and they increase your inner light. Lemurians help you release fears on your spiritual path. They help you step more into your authentic self. I recommend these for anyone who is a spiritual teacher, light worker, way shower, someone who's involved in the spiritual realm, or something that you want to get into. And there's lots more I could say about Lemurian seed crystals and how to identify them. So please let me know if you would like a full video on Lemurians in the comments, and I may do that for you. I know the name is confusing to some people, especially if your first language is not English, but Herkimer diamond is a form of clear quartz from the Herkimer region of New York in the United States. They grow into these small double-terminated crystals that look a little bit like diamonds, and originally when they were found, people thought they were diamonds, and they are bright and gleaming, unlike normal quartz, and they have this kind of diamond brightness to them. Herkimer diamonds are another form of very high vibration clear quartz. They are very good at bringing clarity and developing your clairvoyant abilities. If you look at them from the side, they even look a bit like an eye, and you can place them on the third eye for a short period of time to help with developing clairvoyance. Herkimer diamonds clear and open that third eye, and they enhance dream work, lucid dreaming, and can also be helpful if you are doing remote viewing. The location that your quartz is mined or where it was found is important too, and those crystals will carry a connection to those places. And there are 3 locations that I feel have a very special energy and are worth seeking out. So clear quartz found in Brazil, the Himalayas, and in the Arkansas region of North America, all carry a very powerful, high vibration spiritual energy. And you'll notice all of these locations have mountains, and just generally speaking, crystals found in mountains and higher regions of the planet seem to have a very strong spiritual energy. Every quartz crystal has its own personality. The crystal's formation and special features influence the crystal's uses and add additional benefits. This includes things such as phantoms, record keepers, double terminated crystals, twins, rainbows, clusters, akashic lines, and scepter crystals. I couldn't fit all these things into this video without it getting too long, but if you want to learn more about spotting these formations and what they mean, then let me know in the comments and I could maybe do a follow-up video, which I'll add at the end of this video if we make it. In the meantime, you can join me now in a video all about how to program crystals with your intention. So you can use your quartz crystal with this method and put an intention to manifest or make a change within yourself, within your stone. This video should be appearing on screen now. And if you want to go deeper with me, then check out my books. They are available on Amazon and in other places in the links below this video.